hundreds of videos that are so complicated. I just want to delete my YouTube short.
Having a brain fart? Don't worry, Mama B's got you.
How to delete your YouTube short. Let's go. Step 1. Type in your browser youtube.com. Step 2. Look for your photo on the top right of the YouTube page. Step 3. Click on your photo, it will open up a list. Step 4. In the drop-down list, click on YouTube Studio. Step 5. On the left, click on Content. Step 6. Above, click on Shorts. Please subscribe, please like, and please comment on my videos. It will tell YouTube that my videos are helpful. It only costs a fraction of your time. Thank you. Step 7. Find the short you want to delete. Step 8. Hover over the right of the title of that video and click on the 3 dots. Step 9. Click on Delete Forever. Step 10. Give yourself a round of applause. You did it. You just learned something new. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. Love from Mama B.